Hi, everybody. So I just came on here to help you a little bit filling out this outline while you're at home. On this copy of the outline, I put the prompt that you are answering and that you are going to be writing your essay about. I also, on the other side of my screen, have the model essay that you were given. Obviously, it's just to help guide you. So, for example, in yellow, I have highlighted the thesis statement for the model Rikki-Tikki essay. So over here in this box, you're going to use that model to help you write your own thesis statement. We wrote this thesis statement, or we're getting this information from the prompt. So for example, you are going to start off by writing a theme in the script. The monsters are due on Maple Street. By Rod Serling is, and then here is your theme. And again, you have the handwritten, the hard copy so that you can handwrite. And I would prefer that you handwrite it. So a theme in the script, The Monsters Are Due on Maple Street by Rod Serling, is fear causes people to form a mob and act irrationally and chaotically. And we're going to add to it. And the author illustrates. And remember, we said illustrates just means show, which means we're going to provide text evidence as examples. Illustrates this through. And then here's where we have to stop. Here's where you need to give reason 1 and reason 2. So now you're probably thinking, okay, where do I get that information? This is where you have to go to your sticky notes. So the sticky notes that we filled out together have examples of people forming a mob, people acting irrationally, meaning not making any sense, and things turning into chaos. So you are going to, right here, pick one sticky note to write about. Okay. Then when you go to the next paragraph, and it's going to be on this next page, this one right here, pick another sticky note to write about. Okay, so for example, if we take one of our sticky notes and it was, they are acting irrationally and not making sense, the crowd accuses Les because he doesn't sleep at night. Okay, so if that's how I'm proving that fear makes people act crazy and think irrationally, I now need to go into the text on the page that I wrote this sticky note, find a quote, okay? And then I need to explain, how are these people acting irrationally? How is accusing someone of not being able to sleep and therefore making him a monster a crazy, irrational thought that doesn't make sense, okay? You are going to do the same thing with this paragraph. Then, what is nice about a conclusion paragraph, this sentence right here is going to be exactly what you put up at the top. So I'm going to color code it the same way. So this sentence right here, I want you to repeat it down here. So now that I've figured out, okay, my paragraph number 1 is going to be about Les because he doesn't sleep at night, I now have my first reason. Through the neighbors accusing less, and now I have to come up with my reason to. You're going to do your best to fill the rest of this in, and then we are going to go over it Monday together. Hopefully this helps. Again, refer back to your model theme essay and email me if you have any questions.